already at the new and improved Botanical Garden.
We got here via a pakdalitang jeepney and ang sakayan po ay sa T. Claudio Street. Pwede rin po kayong sumakay ng Mines View or Maria Basa jeepneys kasi dumadaan din po doon. Ayan, so ito na po yung main entrance ng Botanical Garden. And ang entrance fee po ay 10 pesos for adults and 5 pesos for kids. This is the Centennial Garden. And paalala lang po, bawal pong umapak sa grass. May mga security guards po tayong nagbabantay. Baka mamaya, kayo po ay masita.
Oh, nice. Dati wala pa ito. So I was here years ago pa, before the pandemic. And at least merong area wherein people can relax, eat. Yan. So meron dito rin yung Dahlia Garden. So apart from the flowers, napansin namin maraming... Where? Oh, yes.
Yes,
There's a bee.
Nandito tayo ngayon sa Orchidarium. And as you can see, ang daming plants, daming orchids. Patok na patok talaga ito for plantito at mga plantita. And syempre, paalala ulit, bawal pong kumuha ng plants. For your eyes only lang po. Ganda. Daming mga namulaklak na. Ayan, talagang mawiwili ka dito, lalong-lalo na if talagang mahilig ka sa plants. Visit naman natin ngayon ang PMC Garden.
I'm not tired.
Are you sure? You're not yet tired? Because Mama is tired. Okay, here's the bridge. And we're going over a bridge. We're going inside the forest. Oh, Gian, there's a bahay kubo. Gian, that one, that's a bahay kubo. That one, the house. To see what's inside. Ah. That, Gian, who's that? A panda. Yes, it's a rat. Rat. Yes, it's holding a cheese. Yes. Is it cheese? Is it cheese? Is it cheese or not? No, it's not a cat, it's an ox. Yes. Yes, it's a rabbit. What's the rabbit holding? Yeah, it's a carrot. Yeah, what's this? It's a dragon. This one. What's that? It's a snake. Yes, and it has a tail. Look, no, don't inside. Let's see the blue. What's this? This one. It's a horse. What's that? Is it a goat? It's a goat. What's that? Yeah, what's that? Is that you? Yeah, it's a banana. Let's go up the view deck. Oh, very nice view. Oopsie, I have to hold your hand. Oh, what's that? Oh, what's that? What's that? Yeah, do you see that? What are those? What are those? Yes, they're elephants. And more flowers. There are flowers on sale. Yan, saktong-sakto sa mga plantita. Dito. Let's go now eat. Is it yummy? You hot? Okay.
A few moments later.
This is cactus and succulents. Let's go!
2,000 years later.
In fairness, mas malinis at mas maluwag na yung mga toilet ngayon. Ito naman ang Cordillera Village. So, pwede po kayong magsuot ng Cordilleran costumes dito and mag-take ng photos for a fee. So, for example, itong isa, ang fee po niya ay 25 pesos per head.
Be careful. Be careful.
So in fairness naman, gumanda at mas naging mas maaliwalas pa itong Botanical Garden. And marami ring attractions and it's also friendly for kids. So I highly recommend this for you to visit. Bye!